Greetings, River Lady here, and yup, my stuttering has gone away. I can't tell you why or how or what, but it's gone, so let's not be too loud about it, because then the powers that be will figure it out and bring it back. Okay, so I wanted to talk to you about my new old pruning book. I took a pruning webinar, a Master Gardener webinar at the beginning of February, and the presenter recommended this book. Now, the reason I say it's a new old book is because it was originally published in 1999 by the Scots Company, which is the company that owns Ortho. But it's new for me because I just ordered it, and it's easy to find. All you have to do is Google the name, Ortho's All About Pruning, and I'll put a couple of links down below. The topics are concise, exact. They don't go into heavy rambling. They just give you just the facts. So they discuss the art of pruning, why you should prune. Just going to go through a few pages. Great pictures, great color pictures, how pruning affects growth, really good topics. Gives you a great picture for water sprouts that should be pruned off your tree, and it discusses water sprouts. Gives you examples of different ways that people prune. This is actually the correct way that a lateral branch cut should be made, and they go through the different ways that people do cut, how to hold your pruners, the different types of pruning, the thinning, heading, lateral, shearing, and pinching pruning. Didn't know, did you, that there were so many different types of pruning? So this is a great book. Tools of the trade, how to sharpen your pruners, though this time of year I do recommend you just get your pruners to your hardware store and have them professionally sharpened, so you'll be ready for the season when it starts. It's actually already starting here on the Concord River. I need to get out as soon as the snow melts a little and do some serious pruning on my trumpet vine. Safety, what not to do. Yeah, definitely don't do things like this. All right, so that's, I'm not going to go through every page, but it talks about rejuvenating shrubs, pruning roses, even fruit trees. So definitely take a look at this book if you need a book on pruning. From here, you can get a more advanced book. So I'll put some links down below. And that's it. So this is River Lady saying thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and happy gardening.